right here. You can purchase these at most hardware stores and at home centers. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to remove this piece. Just hold the cylinder in place because it won't fall after it's removed. Okay, the cylinder has been removed. Instructions. Here's the new cylinder. Set of keys. The hardware. First thing we have to do is install the cylinder with the ring right here. Just get a closer look. This piece right here. This is what holds the cylinder in place. We got two holes here. This is where the screws go in, and it has to match up with this piece right here. Before I install it, as you can see, there are two notches right here, and it depends on the thickness of the door. If the door is too thin, and these can be broken off and it'll adjust. The screw will be comparable to the thickness of the door. So that's what these notches are for, to install this cylinder in different door sizes. Two pliers. So right here, we're going to break it off at the last notch right here. Second one. Okay. Make them both tight, not too tight. And you have to push this tab down. Make sure, so you have to adjust this to make sure it opens so it slides in. There you go. Okay. Before I put it on, I just want to see if it's aligned correctly so it opens the lock and closes it. different. The key can get stuck, it can be difficult to open. So there you go. That is how to install a cylinder on a door lock. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.